Want to reach 1400 to 2100 rating on chess? Then you must know the fourth concept of imbalances, which is material. As you can see in this position, white is solid, but black seems to have a nice, active position. If black's c-pawn was on c6, he wouldn't have any problems at all, but it's still on c7, and that gives white the chance to embrace his inner greed and claim a material imbalance. Bishop takes b7. Taking this pawn does a number of useful things. First, it gives white endgame odds. Second, annoying for black since the more pieces the materially challenged side trades, the closer to a pawn-up endgame victory white gets. It creates a hole on c6 which allows white to grab control of the central light squares along the h1-8 diagonal. It places great psychological pressure on black, who now has to get something going in an effort to justify the lost pawn. King to h8. Black would love to take advantage of the errant white bishop, but nothing works. Pawn to c6 and queen c for check picks up the c6 pawn. Bishop to g4 and queen to c for check. King to h8 and bishop to c6. Queen to f5 and rook to d2 intending f2 f4. When black doesn't have enough compensation for the lost pawn, and now white is very much on top after both bishop to g2a. Reset that can be played if white suddenly freaks out a bit and decides that his bishop is too far from home, and queen to c4, making new light squared inroads.